The Danville Community College Office of Accessibility Services welcomes you to this brief demonstration video on Kurzweil 3000 for Windows version 15. In this video we will demonstrate how to navigate a document and how to adjust the page numbers of a document. Before we demonstrate how to adjust a document's page numbers, you should familiarize yourself with the page navigation controls located on the Reading ribbon, while under the Read tab. The Reading ribbon is displayed by first clicking on the Read tab. The page navigation controls are located to the left side of the Reading ribbon. The page navigation controls consist of a Previous Page button, Next Page button, a page box, Total page number, and a bookmark button. You can click on the Previous or Next buttons to move from page to page. The page box is an input field containing the current page number. You can click in the page box and type the page number you would like to go to, then press the Tab key to instantly navigate to that page. If you have bookmarked a page, you can use the Bookmark button to choose the bookmark page to navigate to. Often when a document is scanned, or the document contains extra pages at the beginning of the document, the corresponding page numbers assigned to each page of the document will not correspond to the actual document's pagination. Here is an example text containing a printed page number of 415, while the page box indicates we are on page 427. We can correct this page numbering issue by accessing Kurzweil's Set Page Number feature. In our first example we will adjust the page numbering of a document to match the actual page numbers in the document's content by using the Set Page Number feature. We begin this example by opening a scanned excerpt from a printed copy of Herman Melville's book, Moby Dick. This 4-page document contains only a Chapter 1 excerpt of this publication. This document has page numbers that do not correspond to the actual page numbers listed with the document. We perform this process by first locating and selecting the File drop-down menu to the upper left of the main Kurzweil application window. From the options displayed on the File drop-down menu, locate and select the Open option. You will be presented with a File Open dialog window. From within this File Open dialog window, we browse to Select and open the file containing the scanned document. After navigating to the second page of this document and reducing the zoom level, we can see the actual page numbers of the original text in the bottom left corner of the page. The second page of this document has a printed page number value of 4. Now, if we look in the document's page box, we see a different page number value of 25. This means the actual first page of this document is page 3. To adjust this document's page number values, we will access the Set Page Number feature. The Set Page Number feature can be accessed by first placing your cursor in the desired document. Second, locate and select View from the drop-down menu located at the top of the application window. Third, select the Page option from the drop-down menu displayed. Fourth, select the Set Number menu option from the list of options displayed. You will be presented with a Set Page Number dialog window. In this example we will click in the Number of First Page input field, populate the correct first page number of 3. Now we select the OK button to continue. We can now see the page number displayed in the page box. Input field corresponds to the actual page numbers contained within our example document. Be sure to save your document to commit your page number adjustments. Now we save the page numbering adjustments we have performed by selecting the Save option from the drop-down File menu. In our second example, we will adjust the page numbering of a document to accommodate for front matter using the Set Page Number feature. The first section of many books, reports, and other documents contain pages at the start of the work that provide specific, detailed information about the document's contents. This initial introductory information is often called front matter or preliminaries. This front matter can consist of title pages, a foreword, a preface, a table of contents, a dedication, a prologue, etc. The pages containing front matter may be indexed with Roman numerals, numbered separately, or contain no pagination at all. When accessing this information, you can have two distinct page numbering schemes in a document. Having two distinct page numbering schemes in a document can make referencing page numbers and navigating the document very difficult. This difficulty can be avoided by correcting the pagination with Kurzweil's Set Page Number feature. This feature will allow you to accommodate for and distinguish between front matter and actual chapter pages. We will now access a multi-page document and demonstrate how to adjust the page numbering to accommodate for front matter. We begin this demonstration by opening a document from our local computer's hard drive. We perform this process by first locating and selecting the File drop-down menu to the upper left of the main Kurzweil application window. From the options displayed on the File drop-down menu, locate and select the Open option. You will be presented with a File Open dialog window. From within this File Open dialog window, you can browse to, select, and open your desired file. In this example, we will open a biology textbook from OpenStax. This multi-page file contains 1,480 pages. The current page number and total page count is displayed in the lower right corner of the main application window. Now we will locate and select the Bookmark button on the navigation controls to instantly navigate to this book's index. Once in the index, we select a random term such as alpha cell, which is located on page 1085 of this document. We can now manually populate our desired page number of 1085 in the page box on the page navigation controls. When we navigate to page 1085 of the document, we find we are actually on page 1073. If we subtract 1073 from 1085, we can calculate that this document contains 12 pages of front matter. Let's examine another method of calculating the number of front matter pages in a document. Starting from the first page of the document, navigate through the document until you have located the first numbered page. In this example, we have started navigating from the first page of our document until we reach the first numbered page. The first numbered page of this example document is page 13. Once we have located the first numbered page of the document, navigate to the previous page. Now the page box input field on the navigation bar will contain the total number of front matter pages contained in this document. In this example, we see this method calculates that this document contains 12 pages of front matter. We can now correct this page numbering by accessing the Set Page Number feature. The Set Page Number feature can be accessed by first placing your cursor in the desired document. Second, locate and select the View menu. From the View drop-down menu, select Page, then select Set Number. You will be presented with a Set Page Number dialog window. In the Set Page Number dialog window, select the Document Has Front Matter checkbox. By selecting the Document Has Front Matter checkbox, the Number of First Page input field will change to a Number of Front Matter Pages input field. In the Number of Front Matter Pages input field, enter the number of Front Matter Pages and select the OK button. In this example we populate 12 as the number of Front Matter Pages. Now, when we enter page 1085 into the page box and press the Tab key, we navigate to the actual page 1085 of the document containing our example term of alpha cell. Kurzweil will now number all Front Matter Pages in parentheses. For example, if you wanted to navigate to the very first page of the document, you can now populate a left parenthesis, the number 1, and a right parenthesis, into the page box input field. If you would like to navigate to the first numbered page of the document, you simply populate a number 1 in the page box input field. Be sure to save your document to commit your page number accommodations. In this example, we save the page numbering accommodations we have performed by selecting the Save option from the drop-down File menu. In review, we have demonstrated how to utilize the document navigation controls. We have demonstrated how to adjust a document's page numbers using the Set Page Number feature. We have also demonstrated how to accommodate documents containing front matter using the Set Page Number feature. Thank you for watching this video.